Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix slow charging issue on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure that you use the charger which comes with the smartphone in the box. If you use a third-party charger, your smartphone will charge slowly because the third-party charger might not be compatible with your smartphone. Now the second tip to fix the slow charging issue on your smartphone is to enable fast charging from your settings. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now scroll down and tap on battery. Now scroll down and tap on battery health and charging. On this page, just enable fast charging. Now once you enable this option, your smartphone will start fast charging. Now if you have done that but your smartphone is still charging slowly, just go back. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on System Update. Now on this page, just check if your smartphone has any software update available. If your smartphone has any software update available, just update the software of your smartphone. And this is how you can fix the slow charging issue on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.